Hi everybody, welcome to the new course from Binary Code Soft. We'll describe how to use Excel VBA, Visual Basic for Application, to build database can use in stores, accounting, HR resources, management. In the start, we will configure Excel to create VBA code. Like this, open Excel, new workbook, then click File, Options. After Options, you will get this screen. Go to Custom Ribbon and check the developer option. Then click OK. You will find Developer tab appears in the main menu of the Excel workbook. We will describe each items and all icons of VBA code in the next lecture. Thank you. This is the end of part 1. أيمن خشوع.